Ariel. And here's my puppy. Hi. Yeah, she's so cute. And that's my puppy's adorable puppy. Hey, look at her. Oh, no, sorry, you guys don't need to see that. Shit. Oh, guys, I am sorry. Crack. She loves. I'm trying to keep her high. I love you. She is adorable. She's cute. Whoa! Sorry. Already. Yeah, I did not move it up. I'm gonna fall. Alpha. Ow. Stop it. I fell. If you guys don't know where I live in Trinidad, Colorado. You guys are gonna see me. I'm 107 West Strong. What's up? Yeah. I love you guys and peace. Take care, guys. I wonder if the weather looks like out here in Trinidad. What looks like out here? It's really bad, you guys. Never mind, not no more, but it was like. You guys can like see, it's like mist. It's like out there, it's like out there. Look at the clouds. That's my dad's book. Let me show you guys something. Over there, you guys probably can see it looks like something marked. And doesn't it? Got some leashes. Yeah. Yeah. My TV. Oh yeah, what did I keep on moving my camera? She gave us the. So you guys, if you guys haven't seen it, Bumpy and. Leave down in the comments down below what you think the next one is. So, come here. You guys have 5. Oh, guys, I'm sorry, but just hashtag YouTube bring back comments. Yeah. So, yeah, and that would be it for today. Bye. Peace. No, I'm just joking. This is the day I won't be in school at 15. Oh, wait. Sorry, I'm on the wrong one. We're in May. We're in April. What? I don't know. Oh wait, we're in April, and this is the day I'm not be here. I will be filming, but I won't be here the 15th. It's a 15th. Nice. Look at Gilly. Yeah. I'll be. Oh, you're gonna see me. That's my sister. And there would be me. We have Halloween decorations, even though it's not Halloween. Over here, her messy cage. This is her messy cage. These are her bones. Like this video if I should give her a bone. 3, 2, 1, you're done. She likes it. Thank you guys. Peace. Oh, wait, I'll show you something else. One more thing real fast. This can't see me because it's heck. Yep.